In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide footer in Surveymonkey if you want a cleaner, distraction-free survey that keeps respondents focused on your questions. Hiding the footer is a quick way to do it. The footer is the horizontal strip at the very bottom of your survey pages, and it may include platform branding or other small elements you don't want visible. Start by opening your browser and going to Surveymonkey. When you land on your dashboard, you'll see a list of your recent or active surveys. Choose the survey where you want the footer hidden and click to open it. This will take you into the survey workspace where you can edit questions, adjust the design, and control layout elements. Once you're inside the survey, make sure you're viewing the survey canvas. Slowly move your mouse over the content area and scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. You're looking for the footer section that sits right below your last question or any page navigation. If your survey is long, you may need to scroll a bit. That's normal. The footer area is sometimes subtle, so pausing your cursor near the bottom helps reveal any controls that appear on hover. With the footer in view, look directly on that bottom strip for a control labeled Hide Footer. This option is attached to the footer itself, so you don't need to open any separate menus. When you see it, click Hide Footer. The footer should immediately collapse or disappear from the page in the editor. That's your visual confirmation that the change has been applied to this survey's layout. A few helpful notes as you finalize. Depending on your account plan, theme, or branding settings, the option to hide the footer may not appear. If you don't see the control, it's likely limited by your plan or survey design. In that case, check your account's features or ask your workspace admin about brand controls. After hiding the footer, give the page a quick refresh or open a preview to make sure it looks the way you expect from a respondent's perspective. In most cases, your changes save automatically, and the hidden footer will carry across all pages of the survey, so you won't need to repeat this on each page. That's all there is to it. Navigate to your survey, scroll to the bottom, find the footer, and click Hide Footer. With the footer out of the way, your survey will look cleaner and more professional for your audience.